The electric motor for a DeVilbiss single-cylinder direct drive compressor is referred to as capacitor start and induction run. There's two sets of windings in the motor. The start winding is a very strong winding that allows the motor to overcome inertia load for the piston and rotor assemblies during startup, and of course the run winding runs the compressor. Both sets of windings are energized at startup, so the start winding and the run winding are both energized during startup. Then at 3/4, as the motor starts, at 3/4 of its rated speed, the start winding is taken out of the circuit and the motor allowed to continue on with the run winding only. But there's both of them start during the start circuit. The mechanism is, there's two parts of the starting circuit. You've got the stationary switch and the rotating switch. The rotating switch is hooked on directly to the electric motor shaft, and the rotating switch is an assembly. It's a spring-loaded assembly that is set to operate, that in the at-rest position it pushes a lever to the up position, which this lever deflects the stationary switch and pushes on this mechanism, which makes contact between these two brass points, makes contact at the at-rest position, which then allows the start circuit to energize. As the motor gains in speed at 3/4 of its speed, then the centrifugal force pushes this weight to the outside. The lever is moved away from the stationary switch, and it then breaks contact with the starting circuit, taking the starting circuit out of the system and allowing the motor to continue on the run circuit alone. Normally shouldn't be any mechanism, any maintenance or anything should be necessary in either the rotating switch or the starting switch, or the stationary switch. The only time that we may see some issue is in a very dirty or environment, when dirt tends to migrate under the cover and gets between these 2 points. If dirt comes between these 2 points right here, it can insulate the starting circuit, and that then prevents the starting circuit from being energized, which the motor won't start under the run circuit alone. It needs the start circuit and run circuit in order for it to start. So if it hums, it's most likely that there's some dirt that is between the contact points. It could be cleaned off with some type of electrical parts cleaner or non-flammable cleaner that would remove the dirt insulation that is likely to be under the stationary switch. That's the operations of the start circuit for this capacitor start induction run style motor.